Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for choosing to learn English with us.
Today, we're going to explore three super important expressions in English: have to, has to, and had to.
These expressions are used constantly to talk about obligation and necessity.
And many learners get confused about when to use which one.
But don't worry, we're going to make everything crystal clear.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly when and how to use each one.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English naturally, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
And we want to give a special shout out to @Nasreen for this videos and learning with us.
Thank you so much, @Nasreen. We're so happy to have you in our English the Natural Way learning community.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these expressions mean.
Have to, has to, and had to all express obligation or necessity.
They mean something is required, needed, or you must do it.
Think of them as saying I must or it's necessary.
The difference is about who is doing it and when.
Let's start by explaining have to.
Have to is used in the present tense with I, you, we, and they.
When something is necessary now or in general, use have to.
Structure: I, you, we, they, plus have to, plus base verb.
I have to work today. It's necessary for me to work.
You have to study for the exam. It's necessary for you.
I have to leave early. It's necessary for us.
They have to finish the project. It's necessary for them.
All present tense obligations with I, you, we, and they.
More examples with have to.
I have to wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
You have to wear a uniform at this school.
We have to pay rent by the 1st of the month.
They have to attend the meeting tomorrow.
All showing present or general obligation.
Use 1. Have to for rules and requirements.
When something is a rule or requirement, use have to.
Students have to submit homework on time. It's a rule.
Employees have to arrive by 9 a.m. It's a requirement.
Drivers have to stop at red lights. It's the law.
More examples.
Passengers have to wear seatbelts.
You have to show your ID to enter.
We have to follow the instructions.
All showing rules and requirements.
Use 2. Have to for personal obligations.
When you personally need to do something, use have to.
I have to call my mother today. Personal obligation.
I have to finish this report. My responsibility.
We have to clean the house. Our obligation.
More examples.
I have to exercise more.
You have to take care of yourself.
We have to save money.
All personal necessities.
Use 3. Have to for future necessity.
When talking about future obligations, use have to.
I have to work tomorrow. Future obligation.
You have to come to the party next week. Future necessity.
We have to move to a new apartment next month. Future requirement.
More examples.
They have to submit the application by Friday.
I have to see the doctor next Tuesday.
You have to register before the deadline.
Future obligations using have to.
Now, let's talk about the negative form.
Negative, don't have to, means no obligation. It's not necessary.
I don't have to work on Sunday. It's not necessary. I can choose.
You don't have to come if you're busy. No obligation. It's optional.
We don't have to hurry. No need to rush.
More examples.
They don't have to wear suits to the office.
You don't have to answer if you don't want to.
I don't have to cook tonight. We can order food.
Don't have to means it's not necessary.
Questions with have to.
Structure, do plus I, you, we, they plus have to plus base verb.
Do I have to attend the meeting?
Do you have to work late tonight?
Do we have to bring anything?
Do they have to pay now?
All questions about obligation.
Now, let's move to has to.
Has to is used in the present tense with he, she, and it.
Same meaning, obligation or necessity, but with different subjects.
Structure, he, she, it, plus has to, plus base verb.
He has to work today. It's necessary for him.
She has to study for the exam. It's necessary for her.
It has to be finished by tomorrow. It's necessary.
All present tense obligations with he, she, and it.
More examples with has to.
He has to wake up at 5 a.m.
She has to wear glasses.
It has to be perfect.
The dog has to eat twice a day.
All showing present or general obligation.
Use one. Has to for rules applying to one person or thing.
He has to follow company policy. It's a rule for him.
She has to submit her report today. Her requirement.
The machine has to be turned off at night. Requirement for it.
More examples.
He has to show his passport.
She has to arrive on time.
The package has to be signed for.
All showing rules and requirements for he, she, or it.
Use to. Has to for personal obligations of one person.
He has to call his boss, his personal obligation.
She has to pick up her kids from school. Her responsibility.
It has to charge for 2 hours. Its necessity.
More examples.
He has to take medication daily.
She has to finish her homework.
The phone has to be updated.
All personal or specific necessities.
Use 3. Has to for future necessity.
He has to travel next week. Future obligation for him.
She has to see the dentist tomorrow. Future necessity for her.
It has to be ready by Friday. Future requirement.
More examples.
He has to attend a conference next month.
She has to renew her license soon.
The project has to be completed by year end.
Future obligations using has to.
Now the negative form.
Negative. Doesn't have to means no obligation.
He doesn't have to work on weekends. Not necessary for him.
She doesn't have to cook. We're eating out. Not her obligation.
It doesn't have to be expensive. No requirement to be expensive.
More examples.
He doesn't have to shave every day.
She doesn't have to answer right now.
The report doesn't have to be long.
Doesn't have to means it's not necessary.
Now questions with has to.
Structure. Does plus he, she, or it plus have to plus base verb.
Does he have to work today?
Does she have to attend?
Does it have to be done now?
Notice, does he have to, not does he has to.
The S moves to does.
Now let's move to had to.
Had to is used in the past tense with all subjects.
When something was necessary or obligatory in the past, use had to.
Structure. I, you, he, she, it, we, they had to plus base verb.
I had to work yesterday. Past obligation.
He had to leave early. Past necessity.
We had to cancel the trip. Past requirement.
They had to wait for 2 hours. Past obligation.
All showing past obligations.
More examples with had to.
I had to wake up at 4 a.m.
She had to take a taxi because she missed the bus.
We had to postpone the meeting.
He had to study all night for the exam.
All past necessities.
Use 1. Had to for past rules and requirements.
When something was required in the past, use had to.
I had to show my ID at the entrance. Past requirement.
She had to wear a uniform at her old school. Past rule.
We had to finish before the deadline. Past necessity.
More examples.
He had to pay a fine.
He had to get permission first.
I had to sign the contract.
All showing past rules and requirements.
Use 2. Had to for past personal obligations.
I had to help my friend move last weekend. Past personal obligation.
She had to take care of her sick mother. Past responsibility.
He had to fix his car before the trip. Past necessity.
More examples.
I had to apologize for my mistake.
She had to make a difficult decision.
We had to save money for the trip.
All past personal necessities.
Use 3. Had to for past unexpected obligations.
When something forced you to do something in the past, use had to.
I had to cancel my plans because I got sick, forced by circumstances.
We had to evacuate because of the fire. Emergency requirement.
I had to work overtime unexpectedly, unplanned necessity.
More examples.
I had to call a plumber, the pipe broke.
He had to go to the hospital.
We had to change our route because of traffic.
All forced or unexpected past obligations.
Now the negative form.
Negative, didn't have to, means no obligation in the past.
I didn't have to work yesterday. It wasn't necessary.
She didn't have to pay for the ticket. No obligation to pay.
We didn't have to wait long. No long wait was necessary.
More examples.
He didn't have to wake up early.
They didn't have to bring anything.
I didn't have to study. The test was easy.
Didn't have to means it wasn't necessary in the past.
Questions with had to.
Structure, did plus subject plus have to plus base verb.
Did you have to work late?
Did she have to leave?
Did they have to pay?
Did he have to go?
All questions about past obligation.
Now let's compare all three together.
Present tense with I, you, we, they, have to.
I have to work today. Present obligation.
Present tense with he, she, it, has to.
She has to work today. Present obligation for her.
Past tense with all subjects, had to.
I had to work yesterday. Past obligation.
See the pattern?
Let's practice with the same verb in all three forms.
I have to study. Present. I, you, we, they.
He has to study. Present. He, she, it.
I had to study. Past. All subjects.
We have to leave. Present. I, you, we, they.
She has to leave. Present. He, she, it.
They had to leave. Past. All subjects.
Easy pattern to follow.
Let's practice with a conversation using all three.
Hey, why are you in such a hurry?
I have to catch the train. It leaves in 10 minutes.
Oh no, do you have to go right now?
Yes, I have to be at work by 9 a.m. My boss is strict about punctuality.
I understand. Does your boss have to check everyone's arrival time?
Yes, he has to report it to the head office. It's company policy.
That's tough. Did you have to wake up early today?
Very early. I had to get up at 5 a.m. I also had to skip breakfast.
That's terrible. Doesn't your company have to provide some flexibility?
Not really. We had to sign a contract agreeing to these rules.
Well, you'd better run. Do you have to work late tonight too?
Fortunately, no. I don't have to stay late today. I can leave at 5.
That's good. My sister has to work until 8 every night.
Really? She doesn't have to do that. That's too much.
I told her that, but she had to accept it to get the job.
Did you notice how we used all three forms?
Have to for present with I, you, we, they. I have to catch. I have to be. You have to go.
Has to for present with he, she, it. Boss has to check. He has to report. Sister has to work.
Had to for past with all subjects. I had to get up. I had to skip. We had to sign. She had to accept.
And negatives. Don't have to, doesn't have to, didn't have to.
Perfect demonstration.
Here's a simple way to remember which one to use.
Step 1. Ask yourself, is it present or past?
If past, use had to, all subjects.
If present, go to step 2.
Step 2, who is doing it?
If I, you, we, they, use have to.
If he, she, it, use has to.
That's it. 2 simple steps.
Quick practice.
Yesterday, I blank wake up early. Past, use had to.
She blank study every day. Present plus she use has to.
We blank leave now. Present plus we Use have to.
They blank wait for hours last week. Past. Use had to.
He blank take medicine daily. Present plus he. Use has to.
See how simple it is?
Important difference to remember.
Don't, doesn't, or didn't have to means not necessary.
Must not or can't means not allowed.
I don't have to go means I can choose not to go.
I must not go means I'm forbidden to go.
Very different meanings.
Memory tricks.
Have to has an E, matches I, you, we, they.
Has to has an S for he, she, it, third person singular.
Had to has a D for past, ended.
Use whatever helps you remember.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Wrong. He have to go. Correct. He has to go.
Wrong, I has to work. Correct, I have to work.
Wrong. She had to goes. Correct. She had to go. Base verb after had to.
Wrong, does he has to work? Correct, does he have to work?
Always use the base verb after have to, has to, or had to.
And here's your challenge.
For the next week, pay attention to obligations in your life.
When you think about something you must do, practice saying it.
I have to. She has to. I had to.
This practice will make it automatic.
And notice these expressions in movies, shows, and conversations.
You'll hear them constantly.
These are some of the most common expressions in English.
Mastering them is essential for natural English.
Remember the simple pattern.
Present with I, you, we, they, have to.
Present with he, she, it, has to.
Past with all subjects, had to.
That's the complete system.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear, simple lessons.
Leave a comment with a sentence using have to, has to, or had to.
We love seeing you practice.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Keep using these expressions every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!